Hey, what's going on guys? So in this video we'll be talking about a common error in Kali Linux or other Linux distributions, which is with the fconfig command. So if I type fconfig, it gives zsh command not found fconfig. So for this we can do a few things. The first one which comes to my mind is do sudo with it, sudo fconfig, and I'll grab the output to init, so I can say that it works. But if this doesn't work, you can do is install nettools, which you can do like this: sudo apt get install nettools. Now sometimes this might not work and sometimes it works. So for this I'll prefer you to first check something which I'm going to check. So let's first navigate to cd hc apt directory and ls to see the results. Sources.list, so we'll be opening sources.list, nano sources.list, and over here if you can't see something like this deb http kali.org kali rolling main non-free contrib, then you need to copy this out from the description box, which I'll provide surely in the description or in the comment section. So please check that out and come over here and paste. So first I'll copy here, I'll come over here and paste, and boom, the next step is Control X exit and Y to save. Okay, but this says permission denied, and that's for sure because we are not root. So we can do is sudo with this nano sources.list, and this time it will work perfectly fine for us. So why? Okay, so we are done with that. Now the next step here comes as sudo apt install update. Now this would take some time depending, unable to locate package update, sudo apt update. It is sudo apt update, not install, sorry for that. Okay, so sudo apt update. Now this will take some time according to your internet speed. Mine I don't know, but let's see how much time it takes, and until that you can check this out that you'll be using this in hc apt directory and sources.list file. Okay, so once this is done, we'll be taking a step further and we'll again type sudo apt install nettools, and this time the nettools will work perfectly fine. So once this installation is done, we can write fconfig and see it works or not. Now this is taking a bit of my time, so I'll skip the video until that time. Okay guys, so I'm done with the installation for nettools and the update. Now I can simply type fconfig, but yeah, sudo fconfig and hit enter. So this gives us the brief of the network we have, and you can do simply is grep for inet if you want the IPv4 address, and it will provide you the IPv4 address of yours with IPv6 as well. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified with our latest updates of the videos.